constant heartburn after meals, a heavy stomach that feels bloated and uncomfortable, fatigue that lingers no matter how much you rest, aching joints that stiffen in the morning, swollen ankles that slow you down by evening, and skin that heals slower than it used to. For many people over 50, these symptoms creep in quietly and are written off as just aging. But what if one of the most powerful remedies wasn't a pill or an expensive supplement, but a simple white powder sitting in your kitchen cabinet? That powder is baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate. Most people think of it only as something for baking bread, cleaning stains, or keeping the fridge fresh. But what almost no one knows, and what only about 2% of people truly understand, is that baking soda has a profound impact inside the human body. When used correctly, it can rebalance acid levels, protect the stomach lining, support the kidneys, calm inflammation in the joints, improve circulation, and even strengthen the immune system. Old doctors relied on it as a universal remedy long before modern medicine, using it for everything from stomach problems to wound care. Today, modern science is confirming why it worked. Baking soda doesn't just mask symptoms, it changes the internal environment of the body. By buffering acidity and restoring balance, it helps the body function the way it was meant to. And here's the most surprising part: these effects can happen quickly. Within just days of proper use, people report relief from heartburn, lighter digestion, reduced swelling, and even more stable energy. Over time, these small shifts build into long-term protection for the heart, kidneys, and joints. That's why ignoring the true impact of baking soda means missing out on one of the simplest, most affordable ways to improve health after 50. Before we dive into exactly what baking soda does inside the body, I also want to remind you that I created a free guide called 7 Natural Habits to Stay Healthy and Energetic After 30. It's a practical resource packed with easy steps you can use daily to protect your heart, boost your energy, and slow aging naturally. You can grab it right now from the link in the description. The first and most immediate effect of baking soda is on the digestive system. After 50, many people struggle with acid reflux, gastritis, and slow digestion. Stomach acid becomes unbalanced, sometimes too much, sometimes too little, and the lining of the stomach weakens with age. This is why heartburn, indigestion, and bloating are so common. Baking soda works as a natural antacid, neutralizing excess acid and soothing irritation in the stomach and esophagus. But unlike medications that simply suppress acid, baking soda helps restore a healthy balance in the digestive tract. Within minutes, it can calm burning sensations, reduce discomfort, and allow food to pass more easily through the stomach. Over time, this protection helps prevent further damage to the stomach lining and supports better nutrient absorption. Another powerful area of impact is the kidneys. These organs work as natural filters, removing waste and excess acid from the blood. But after 50, kidney function often declines, making it harder to keep the body's internal pH balanced. Acid starts to build up, leading to fatigue, swelling, and a greater risk of kidney stones. Baking soda helps neutralize this acid and reduces the workload on the kidneys. Clinical studies have even shown that sodium bicarbonate can slow the progression of kidney disease and improve overall function. For seniors, this means lighter legs, less water retention, more stable blood pressure, and a stronger defense against long-term kidney decline. Baking soda also affects the joints and inflammation. One of the hidden drivers of arthritis pain is low-grade acidosis, a buildup of acid in the tissues that fuels inflammation. By restoring balance to the body's pH, baking soda helps calm this inflammation at the root. Seniors who use it consistently often report reduced stiffness, less swelling in their hands and knees, and an easier time walking or standing for long periods. This isn't just temporary relief. It changes the environment inside the body to make inflammation less likely, which is why improvements compound over time. The immune system is another area that benefits. Research has shown that baking soda influences the way the body's immune cells behave. It encourages the production of anti-inflammatory cells while calming down the aggressive cells that attack tissues and worsen chronic diseases. This means fewer flare-ups of autoimmune conditions, stronger resistance to infections, and more stable energy. For seniors whose immune defenses weaken with age, this balancing effect is critical. It helps the body respond to threats without creating unnecessary inflammation that damages tissues. Even the skin and external healing respond to baking soda. When used externally in diluted form, it calms itching, soothes rashes, and helps wounds close faster. Its mild antibacterial properties protect against infection, while its gentle exfoliating effect removes dead skin and supports regeneration. Seniors with slow healing skin often find that baking soda baths or compresses reduce irritation, ease discomfort from conditions like eczema, and improve the skin's natural barrier. Taken together, these effects show why baking soda is far more than a kitchen staple. It's a natural, affordable tool that supports digestion, protects the kidneys, reduces inflammation, strengthens the immune system, and even helps the skin. And yet, only 2% of people truly understand how powerful it can be when used correctly. And before we move on, don't forget that I created a free guide called 7 Natural Habits to Stay Healthy and Energetic After 30. It's full of practical, easy-to-follow steps that you can add to your life today to boost energy, protect your heart, and slow aging. You can grab it right now from the link in the description. So here's the takeaway. Baking soda is not just a cheap household product you use for cleaning or baking. It's one of the most underestimated health tools in the world. And yet, only about 2% of people truly understand its real impact. Used correctly, it calms the digestive system, neutralizes excess stomach acid, and helps you enjoy meals without constant burning or bloating. It protects the kidneys by reducing acid load and supporting their natural detox function, which means less swelling, better blood pressure, and stronger long-term health. It reduces hidden inflammation that fuels arthritis and joint pain, making daily movement easier. It rebalances the immune system so your body defends itself without harming its own tissues. And it even helps the skin heal faster, soothing irritation and restoring strength to the body's natural barrier. The most important thing to understand is that these aren't just short-term fixes. Once your acid balance improves, once your kidneys and joints start functioning in a healthier environment, the benefits keep building. That's why so many people who try baking soda notice steady improvements in their comfort, energy, and resilience over time. What seems like a simple white powder can actually transform multiple systems of the body at once. 6 months from now, you can either still be struggling with heartburn, fatigue, stiff joints, and slow healing, or you can feel lighter, stronger, and more energized simply because you discovered and used baking soda the right way. The choice is in your hands. And if you want to take your health even further, I've created a free guide called 7 Natural Habits to Stay Healthy and Energetic After 30. Inside, you'll find step-by-step daily practices that protect your heart, boost your energy, and slow the effects of aging naturally. You can grab it right now from the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more natural health tips for seniors. And let me know in the comments, type yes if you've ever used baking soda for health, or no if this information was new to you. Your health after 50 doesn't have to decline. Sometimes, the most powerful solutions are also the simplest, and baking soda proves it.